Portable edge bander using guidance. Connect power. Turn on the power switch. Start heating. Add 150-degree medium temperature hot melt EVA granular glue. Fill it up each time you use it. Do not use less than half a pot of glue during the process. This is the entering height limit for edge banding. Just place the edge banding under the height limit until it just presses down on tape. This is the exit height limit for the edge banding. Just place the edge banding under it and make it 0.5 millimeters higher than the edge banding. This 7-head needs to face inside. It has two black buttons here. The above one is for adjusting the amount of glue in the edge banding tape. The following is the amount of glue for the front board. The tighter it goes clockwise, the less glue there is. Loosen counterclockwise, the greater the amount of glue. Needs to run it first and do the adjustment by twisting it. Shaking this knob left and right to make the glue amount more accurate after done adjusting. There is a guide sheath that presses down on the edge banding, allowing it to adhere to the gluing shaft for gluing. There is a screw here that can be loosened to adjust its tightness. Tighten it a little to adjust the glue amount smaller. The edge banding tapes can all be evenly coated with glue. After the temperature reaches the set temperature, we need to turn on the knob of this governor first. The green switch on the handle is turned on. Then it can operate. The knob at this place indicates the speed at which the edge banding goes out. This can be adjusted appropriately according to the speed of your pushboard. When we are doing edge banding, using the board to measure the length of the edge banding, just make it slightly longer on both sides than the edge banding. Cut it in advance before sealing. Edge banding begins. Pass the edge banding through the height limit at the inlet. Start sealing. When we are doing irregular edge banding, it is also necessary to cut the edge banding first with suitable length. The same goes for threading the edge banding into the back first. When sealing the edges of irregular shapes, the board does not need to be glued. Just apply glue to this side of the edge banding tape. Performing rotary edge banding. Performing rotary edge banding. We need to unscrew the two screws at this place first. One screw here as well. Then separate this countertop from the machine. Just pass the sector plate through from below to this position. After installing the sector plate, there is an adjustable handle here. Just tighten it. We need to place the boards under the sector plates when installing. Compare its height. Tighten it. The handheld edge banding also involves cutting the edge banding tape first according to the length of the board. Then start edge banding.